Hi, this is Apurva. In this video, I'll be conducting exploratory data analysis on a retail data set um, using Python and Jupyter Notebook. I have imported the required libraries and the data into a data frame, and after conducting a preliminary data analysis, I've decided to drop the country and postal code column since it is not useful for an analysis. I have performed an outlier analysis on the variables of the data set. So we see there are a lot of outliers for the sales quantity, discount, and profit variables. When I plot the histograms of the same variables, um, we see that the majority of sales are less than 2500, and the quantity most commonly ordered is between 2 to 4. The discounts provided are mostly below zero point 0.2, and the median of the profit is negligible at a value of 8.6. Moving on to univariate analysis, we see that the most of the orders come from consumers who purchase the products directly. The state of California is giving the most number of sales, followed by New York in the country. So here we see that most of the orders come from office supplies, specifically the binders and the papers. And the standard class is the most common shipping mode. Moving on to bivariate analysis, we can see the categorical variables plotted against the profit. So here we see that the first class shipping mode has slightly higher profit compared to the other shipping modes, and the category of technology has the highest profit returns. So in the technology category, the copiers is the subcategory which is fetching the highest returns, and the west and the east regions have higher profits since California and New York have the highest sales. And in and the home office segment is fetching the highest profits, followed by corporate and the consumer segment. Here we see that the furniture category has been giving the highest discounts from the store, followed by office supplies and technology. So in this pair plot, we observe that even though the discount increases, we do not see increase in profits. This may be because the consumers do not trust the product with respect to the quality when the discount is high. So in this heat map, we observe that the technology category of products in the home office segment is fetching the highest profits. In this heat map, we see that the East region shows the maximum average profit in the home office segment, and the store must change their marketing strategies for consumers in the central region since their average profit is the least. So here we see the top 5 cities making profits, and in this chart you see the top 5 cities which are making the losses. Philadelphia has the greatest loss for the store. Among the top 5 cities which are making the highest losses, we see that The furniture category is making the highest losses, followed by office supplies and technology. The store should definitely reduce the discount provided for furniture since it's relatively high. So in this plot, we see the total sales and the respective profits in the subcategory for the top 5 cities making the losses. Although the total sales of the machine is high, there's a huge loss incurred compared to the other subcategories. The store must definitely reevaluate the pricing, discount, and other business parameters for this subcategory of the product. So, the following are some of the insights I have drawn after conducting EDA. The store should reduce the discounts on the furniture category of products. The high discounts are leading to higher losses. Since copiers are fetching the highest profits and consumer segment are placing highest orders, the store must promote copiers to the consumer segment. The store must try to increase their sales in the corporate and home office segments since they give the higher profits.